Hi everyone, this is Gabrielle with Oxmoor Group. We're here at Oxmoor Ford today with exciting news. We have the brand new 2019 Ford Mustang Bullitt. This vehicle is gorgeous. Now we have Will here with us and he's going to go over some of the features of this vehicle.
Gotcha. So the first thing I want to go over is probably a history lesson for those who don't know much. This is going to be the third generation for the Mustang Bullitt. First generation was created in 1968. They actually used it for a really big popular movie back in that time. The vehicle was equipped with a 390 cubic engine. It was able to put out 390 horses, 427 pounds per foot of torque. Second generation of this Bullitt Mustang was created in 2001. I actually got a production number for that one. They only created 5,582 of them. So this here is going to be the third generation, of which they are numbered. And actually we do not have an exact number for it, but what we can tell you is they will produce less of these than they are of the GT350s, which makes it a little extra rare. All right, we'll pop this hood, showcase the engine for you. You're going to have your 305 cubic engine. This is going to be able to put out 475 horses. You're going to be able to put out 420 pounds per foot of torque. Now right over the engine, you're going to see the mount bar that's going to create a little bit of extra stability just in case anything happens while you get down on the gas pedal. And then right here in the front, you'll see a beefed up air intake. That's going to allow that extra 25 pounds per foot of, pounds of horsepower. And we'll come around here. We'll show off these 19-inch rims that we have. They did not go up to the 20s. It actually made a little rough ride for it, so they jumped down to the 19s, made it a smooth going ride for anyone that wanted to get in and take off. Here we do have the Moroni sticker where you're able to see the 53,000 MSRP. Then we'll come right back here to the back. Beautiful thing I like to showcase, they usually have the GT emblem right here, but as you'll see, this one being the Bullitt, it is going to give every indication that this is not a standard GT. So you have your Bullitt emblem on the back tailgate, you have the Bullitt emblem on the steering wheel, and then you'll see that you have your quad pipes there. Now we'll come around, take a look on the inside. The first thing you'll notice is that there are leather Recaro seats. Recaro seats do not usually come in leather, they're usually cloth, but with this one being a specialty vehicle, we like to make sure that everything is up to date. Going up to the instrument cluster, you'll see that you have the digital dash. You'll be able to go through and set everything from the steering wheel. And then one cool feature for me is I like that cue ball shifter there. That's going to be a really neat feature because you will not be able to get that unless you purchase it aftermarket on any other Mustangs.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much for going over that. It's just a gorgeous vehicle. I would like to take this one for a test drive.
I love the color of it. That's
it's gorgeous. Really. All right, you guys, if you have any questions on this vehicle, please feel free to let us know. So the best phone number you can reach us on, it's 502-426-2500. You can also visit our website. It's oxmoorflm.com, and I will have a link to this vehicle in the comments below. It'll go over all the details, pricing, and all of that information. So thanks you guys for watching, and we look forward to seeing you. Bye.